Hello everyone, welcome back to our video. In this video, we are going to discuss this question and its solution. So let's begin. The question is from the topic Universal Law of Gravitation. The question states that two bodies A and B are placed at distance d from each other as shown in the figure. So there are two bodies, two masses, one is of m and the second one is of 2m. The first one is mass A, the second one is mass B, and they are separated by a distance of d. Now what the question asks is a small particle is to be placed between them so that the net gravitational force on it due to A and B are 0. Its distance from the mass A should be. The question is asking that at what distance its distance from mass A. So at what distance from mass A we are supposed to keep a mass so that the net gravitation on this mass, the net gravitational force is 0, that the mass is in equilibrium. The net gravitational force on this mass which we are going to put, it should be 0. Where we will put? So we will put the mass at a distance, let's say x. We'll put the mass at a distance, let's say x. Here we are going to put the mass. The remaining would be d minus x, okay, because the entire. So at here we put a mass of let's say mass m dash. So we put a mass of m dash at a point or x from A. So the gravitational force on the mass is 0, net gravitational force. What are the gravitational forces which are acting on this body? We will discuss first that. So the net gravitational forces are in this direction. We have F1 and here we have F2. And since the net force on the mass is 0, the net force on this mass is 0, m dash, so F1 must be equal to F2. Since F net on m dash is equal to 0, so F1 must be equal to F2. Now what is this F1? F1 is the gravitational force between this mass m and this mass m dash. So what is it? It must be G, using the law of gravitation. G first mass, that is m, second mass m dash, by the distance is x square. So x square must be equal to, again, G. The second mass is 2m and it is m dash. F2 is the force between 2m and m dash, so that is equal to G 2m m dash by the distance between them is d minus x whole square. Now cancelling these things, G will cancel this G, m will cancel this m dash will cancel this m dash. We are left with, transposing this will go there, we are left with 2x square, that is equal to d minus x whole square. Now taking square root both the sides, we will get root 2x equal to d minus x. From this we have to find the value of x. So what I will do, root 2x plus x, taking this this side, so I am left with plus x is equal to d, this equation. Now taking x common, I am left with root 2 plus 1 is equal to d. So x is going to be d by root 2 plus 1, which we have to find the distance from A. So this is the distance from A. Which option is correct? X is equal to d times root 2 plus 1. Option A is correct. So this was the solution of this question. And this question is from a very reputed examination NSO. This question is of National Science Olympiad. So that's all.